Hi, this is Jon Melby. I'm at the Riverside Airshow in Riverside, California. Beautiful Saturday here. Today we're going to go out and do a little bit of flying, but before we go out and do that, I want to tell you about something that's new. I have a new uniform here, and it's United Community Fund, which is UCF mission. It's on the airplane, it's also on my flight suit and my crew uniforms. What UCF mission is we go out to fly in the air shows and tell them about that you can become a member of UCF for free, and with that you can go and help with tragic needs in your community, no matter what your community is. And it's an opportunity that you can explore on ucfmission.org. So I'm Executive Director of UCF, I'm also an airshow pilot, so it's kind of a 2-for-1 special, and I'm really excited to do that. Coming up next, we're going to go out and fly with Melissa Pemperton. We're going to do what's called a squirrel cage. We're going to chase each other around, and which we love doing a couple times each year, and in very, very tight formation aerobatics as well. So that's coming up next, and thank you for watching.
Out of that cockpit, Jon Melby. Thank you, Jon. Again, a beautiful